whipping his head back and forth. Oh my god. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, you're gonna let this hat fall off. This wig is not.
It's a wig.
It's not. It's
She's
not.
wearing
It's
a
my.
wig.
It's my real hair.
She is wearing a wig.
Stop it. Lies. Anyways, guys, I'm about to head out to the dollar store. Sorry for this lighting. It's not good. And I've got a rug over here that I'm trying to. It's one of those shaggy rugs, and I was gonna try to wash it off because it smells kind of funky. I don't know. You know how those rugs can be. And I was gonna wash it before moving to the next house.
Oh yeah, because sometimes the dogs
I'm gonna get back
bark
to you because
on
these
her.
dogs. Check out Charlotte's hair. I just gave her a little bun with these cute little things at the side. It looks so cute. Her curls are totally popping and trying to fly away. Really.
Yeah. I told her when I'm 40, I'm probably gonna cut my hair then.
Yeah.
I'm not really gonna cut my hair when I'm
anytime soon.
Yeah.
And you can see the length of our curls, and then these are the same ones that we can stretch all the way down there, and it pretty much reaches her thighs.
Oh look, it reaches down.
Okay. Extra. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna run to the dollar store quick because yesterday my girlfriend was telling me that I could use construction paper to kind of color code the boxes because we're packing the boxes for each room, so that way when help arrives, they know where to pick up the box and where to put them when they bring them to the house. They can kind of just bring them to the room as opposed to leave them all downstairs because it's gonna get chaotic and no one wants to have to look and identify where every box goes. So if I do put it like color coordinate the boxes and then have like a, you know, put the color on the each door to indicate where the boxes are going, it'll make it easier. So that's what I'm gonna go do. I did find construction paper, but I just came across a thing on Pinterest telling me that I could use colored duct tape. Now, I actually called the dollar store and asked them if they had colored duct tape, and they said they did. So I'm going to go to the dollar store, pick up colored duct tape, and hope that they have at least 4 or 5 different colors. And then, yeah, I'll just kind of duct tape each corner and the corner away from it. That way, no matter where you're holding the box from, whatever side, you can get a glimpse of the color and you can know where to put it. So that's what I'm going to go do. We just wrapped up our morning session of homeschooling. And it's a beautiful fall day outside. I'm actually wearing a sweater. You can't see me.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Girl, get your life. It's a beautiful fall day. I haven't been posting my vlogs as frequently, but excuse me, you remember to bring books? We're not bringing anything on the street.
Talk show called Laura's Life. Laura loved what she did and often did crazy things to impress and entertain her viewers. And this was one of the craziest ones yet. Thank you very much. It was Monday, and as most Mondays go, it started off with a bang. You want to swim with sharks on the same day you're supposed to teach a kindergarten class? Not happening. Her director's words still rang in her ears from the day before. But Laura, being a determined woman, and a persuasive one at that, convinced him. Which is how they'd ended up on a ship on the Pacific Ocean with an entire kindergarten class. Oh yeah.
Get out the kitchen.
Remember, it's Monday. Hashtag never trust Mondays. She spoke to the captain about the coordinates and was on the diving board prepared to go for it. The reporter came over with the camera and asked for her thoughts. I'm just thinking about what a strange day this turned out to be, laughed the teacher. And she took a deep breath and jumped off. To be continued in Jaws.
Hey y'all, good morning. We are on our way to the zoo today, and we just actually went by Walmart to get some umbrellas because it's actually a rainy day outside. Now, on our way through the checkout line, we saw this spooky CD. It's called Spooky Sounds. We're gonna play it in the car just to see how spooky it gets. Y'all think it's gonna get spooky?
Yeah, it's gonna be
And oh, I braided Michaela's hair last night.
Look at my pigtails, guys. Cute.
Girl, stop. Yeah, I braided her hair. Isn't it cute? I did a great job. I did it with like red hair this time. That's what she chose from the summer, but I didn't get time to finish it, so we're doing it now. And I'm so glad because now in the midst of us moving and stuff, I won't have to worry about her hair. You can see the other girl's hairstyle. Look at Breeze. And look at Shars.
No hair to worry. Except yours.
Yeah, I need to braid my own. But let's check out this CD. Is it gonna be spooky or not? We also made a stop to Starbeezy. And oh my gosh, that guy's acting like he's intoxicated. Anyways, yeah, I bought oh my gosh, that's scary.
You're leaving the windows down. What are people gonna think?
Something happened in the car.
Aaron is petrified. He's so petrified he's white.
I have seen stuff that'll turn you white.
Listen to this, guys. Oh my gosh. Anyone passing by and hearing this, they're probably gonna think, what are they listening to?
No, the police are gonna think that you're children. We gotta pretend that we can do a skit. Mom, we can do a little skit. Hello.
Oh, he's so. Oh, buddy. He's showing off right now. He's whipping his head back and forth. Oh my god.
I've never seen a
What in the world? Hi. What are you doing? Hello. Oh my gosh, she said it so clear there.
You think we can feed him?
Oh my gosh, this is not real. Aaron, why?
Oh my.
That's not normal.
It looks like a pumpkin.
That's not normal.
Mom,
Yes.
do you see that fat one?
Oh my god.
And that one?
And then there's all those
like
ones lazing around.
This is
See that fat one?
maybe.
Mom, that one's pregnant over there, I think.
Food just now, but
Oh my gosh, look at the baby.
They're so smaller than I thought that they would be.
Over here, babes.
Wow.
already.
You lost your umbrella the
brand new
first 2
umbrella.
minutes in.
Look at that little white one, Mommy. That white one is so cute. It looks like a little rat.
It looks like a little rat.
Now you
Yep.
can post.
Saving attention.
We can throw food to them. Hi.
Go, buddy.
Go, buddy. Baby. Good. We gotta get.
They would be reaching for that if they were hungry.
Look at that one in the corner up there. He might be the male. Maybe those are females.
Oh.
The black one. Yep.
This is black one. Oh no, there's a black. Dad, there's a black one.
Yeah,
Where?
there's a black one in the back.
Right there.
Back corner there.
Angry.
Oh, I didn't even notice that
He's
guy.
just hiding in this
He's,
corner.
he's a little depressed.
Oh, there's a seagull.
He's cold out. He doesn't like the rain. He's like it's raining
Oh
today.
my gosh, no, no. Oh my gosh, Michaela, you missed it. He just showed his booty.
Oh, that's the lead. What is this garbage they're feeding us these
This guy's a genius when it comes to acrobatics, but he can't find a banana.
I know, right?
Oh, the black one came out.
days? Nice.
The black one came out.
Nice. Oh, that guy looks like he's.
Oh my gosh. All these animals know how to do these tricks. Dude,
Oh, look at that one.
look at them.
Whoa, baby!
Oh my
That is
gosh.
awesome. That is so cool.
Come over
Look,
here.
trapeze actors.
Look,
They're
look.
really active today.
Holy mackerel!
Whoa.
You know how to impress everybody.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah?
Seagull likes the food.
I want to see these.
Whoa.
See how agile they really are?
That's crazy.
Guys, it's such a nice day out actually. It's not raining like we thought it was going to rain. And we're just out here checking out all these beautiful animals. And I want to show them to you. So,
Guinea pig poo and horse poo mixed together.
oh my goodness.
Look at them, they're like
What noise and crazy Joe just made?
So sick.
I'm touching that. Mom, one of the people, Mom, I think Dad gave
Oh my
Mom,
God.
Dilemma has a piece of food in his mouth,
Yeah.
and he was sucking on it, and then it dropped over his mouth.
What?
Oh, you missed the commercial. Cut to the show.
I smelled his nose.
Fashion show at the zoo.
Oh yeah, that's a nice outfit.
Do the catwalk.
I don't think the animals are bothered by the cold.
We think, I know.
I'm gonna throw you this banana. He's like, I'm down here too.
That's why I wanted them to catch you. I bet you
He's
they
about to throw it.
He's like, I'll catch it.
Oh, that
Oh,
one
look
is
at him,
gonna
look
try
at him, he's
and
ready,
catch
he's got
it.
2 hands. He's ready to catch it. He's gotta pass it to him.
Oh.
So close.
Oh, look at
Oh,
that!
yeah.
Genius! Genius! You earned that!
Oh my gosh. Okay, that was sick.
That was cool.
That was pretty
I
sick.
never knew they could do that.
Dude, why didn't the one over there do
I don't know,
that?
maybe that's why he's in that cave. Maybe.
They like the together.
Oh, you want?
What would you like?
He wants to walk with you guys.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, there's.
Yes, and top and top. He just peeled the berries.
Hold on, I'm gonna take a picture. Stay, keep it there. The way it was. He acts just like a cat. Oh my God.
Look
Oh my gosh, he wants one of us. He wants. Here. Can you imagine if it like smacked someone?
You got feet.
Oh God.
Really? Eh?
Wow.
He's being selective now that his tummy's full.
He got it! Yay! I won! Oh, now he lost it!
Get it, monkey. Get it, get it.
Oh, great. Now it's out of his range. Sorry, mister. Here, I'll get it back to you.
Teamwork is a dream work. Come on.
I'm bruising my arm, and he doesn't even want it! Look at my arm!
She bruised her arm.
Wait, can I see it though?
No.
Can I see? Can you get the apple?
I thought I
Charlotte, you
gave
just
it to
whack.
him.
Be careful with that stick.
Oh, he got it! Yes, all that work wasn't that a loss.
Can I see your arm?
He has
You
it.
feel good,
Can I
don't
see
you?
your arm?
That's right there.
Oh, that's not bruised.
Banana.
Shame. You got told.
Yeah, if he comes
Charlotte,
back up
put
here,
that
then
stick
I'll
down.
grab
That
him
stick
and
is
I'll
huge. You've hit
I
me
just
with it
need
like
to
4
find
times.
apple.
No. Charlotte, put that stick away, please.
Then I have an apple.
I
Thank
hope
you.
he realizes how much work and effort I put into that apple.
Just put it down. You don't have to throw it away. Just put it down.
So other people can use it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to join the tribe. Subscribe.